What's going on, everybody? So I just wanted to share some amazing first round results for a client, Miss Diana. I won't disclose her last name. Not even sure if she watches my YouTube channel, but if you do, congratulations on your great results. And all we did was we send debt validation letters to this company for every single account, and less than 45 days, I think, they deleted every single one of them off the credit report. Her credit went up 115 points on Equifax, 115 points on TransUnion, and 87 points on Experian. So she went from the low to high fives to the mid 600s in just 1 month. So I just wanted to share this with y'all. This is what credit repair is about: getting results for your clients, getting deletions, possibly getting them paid, and having their score increase, which the score increase does not always happen. You could actually get this stuff deleted and the score go down. It just depends on many factors that goes in to credit repair. If you are interested in signing up for credit repair, I'll leave a link in the description of the video. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.